Although dedicated solutions are gaining momentum, Microsoft Excel remains the most frequently used tool in Canada for tax accounting. Despite the popularity of Excel, these models usually lack automation and do not adequately address risk. This requires manual effort for preparation and review. We see many common challenges in practice: linked workbooks, large file sizes, magic numbers and formulas, manual roll forward, limited audit trail, historic tabs, or columns that cannot be removed. Data is then trapped in the Excel model and difficult to access for reuse. PwC's Tax Data Hub can address these challenges and allow you to embed automation and controls to enterprise your Excel model. Most importantly, data is collected and maintained in a central repository to serve all of your needs. At the press of a button, we can load data into PwC's Tax Data Hub. In this instance, we'll load trial balances for a group of entities. It's not necessary for all these to be in the same format. Now let's turn to a tax provision workbook. We can connect the workbook to PwC's Tax Data Hub and automate the transfer of data for the relevant entity and period. Once the workbook is refreshed, you see that the data is automatically updated. As you'll see here, adding a trial balance account allows us to instantly automate tax adjustments. This also provides a strong audit trail for your working papers. Manual data entry can be significantly reduced or eliminated, which will save time and reduce risk. This approach also provides automated roll forward of the working papers. PwC's Tax Hub also provides an efficient and controlled approach to address tax adjustments that require manual effort to determine. Here are a couple of common examples. Once the tax adjustments are computed, PwC's Tax Data Hub can allow you to automate updates to the tax provision analysis. This not only reduces manual data entry, but it also allows you to quickly process updates to the source data at the press of a button. PwC's Tax Data Hub also allows you to fully automate the consolidation of the legal entity working papers. As we show here, viewing the results is a snap. Since the consolidation is fully automated, updates can be processed at the press of a button. PwC's Tax Data Hub allows you to enterprise Excel models. We leverage tools you already license. Since your team is already familiar with the tool and model, change management is a snap. PwC's Tax Data Hub can transform your Excel models. Automate manual tasks and focus your team on a risk-based review of the results and areas of the provision that require their knowledge. Address historic Excel challenges to increase efficiency and reduce risk. Free up resources to focus more time on higher value activities. PwC's Tax Data Hub is one component of a tax technology ecosystem. We welcome you to view other videos in this series or to schedule a meeting with one of our specialists to discuss your situation further.